Yeah, as you see him, do you see his hair? It looks like as if the devil slapped his head. Yeah, but it's okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Kings of Comedy right here at Car Wash is proudly brought to you by Skol. It is the Skol Malt, the greatest beer you can ever take. We are so grateful. Thank you very much for the sponsorship. Special thanks to Nakumat. They say you need it, they definitely have got it. You can drop down to Nakumat for all your shopping, they've got it. Air Uganda, which is definitely the smartest ways by which all these guys flew in here in Kigali to make you a night of laughter. Thank you very much. And definitely not forgetting Car Wash, which is a particular place where we are right now. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, before I call the next person, I have one voucher. It is worth 2,500 rand. They call them what, francs. This is from Nakumat. It's an offer from Nakumat. I'll ask one quickly as you can. One lady, please. You need it, you can pick it from here. Go to Nakumat, get your shopping. It is right there. Are you a Muchiga? Are you a Muchiga? The way you rush there. Well, you can please. It is valid. You can take it to any of the Nakumat branches all over Rwanda. All over Rwanda. Do your shopping, 2,500. Thank you very much. And we must say thank you very much to Nakumat. They say you need it. They've got it. You definitely have got it. Go do your shopping worth 2,500 and Nakumat. Any outlet. Now, you know, when we talk about Africa, this guy has just said that Nigeria is the king of Africa. I must say, there's one thing that I love about Nigerian women. For us here in Uganda, Rwanda, when it is Good Friday, it is Easter, it is Valentine's Day. You know, for us the gentlemen, we have a heart of giving to the ladies. Not so. Valentine's Day, you want to buy a rose, you want to come with a present, you know. Now, for us in Uganda, we have a habit. When a gentleman buys a present, they don't want to come wholesale. They want to come, then find her in the kitchen, they hide it under the bed. You know, when now it is bedtime, they say, honey, surprise. The problem I have with the Rwandese women, the way they become surprised it is short. The moment you say, honey, Sherry, surprise, it stops there. You wonder whether you've surprised her or not. Try that to a Nigerian lady. Oh, yeah. You know the men are boastful themselves. Eh? When he's coming, he'll come singing. When he reaches the copper, this Nabi Papa Chinedu. Can I see my wife? Today Nabi Valentine's Day now. My wife, come out of that my own house that I built. We know it is you built it. Now, immediately when he reaches, and the wife is there. Mama Chinedu, today Nabi Valentine's Day. But now see this, I never have a lot of money. I bought Land Cruiser brand new for you. The way the women get surprised is the best. Papa Chinedu, this not be my Land Cruiser. I'm dead though. She will become dead immediately. Now, the man wants to help. He said, Mama Chinedu, never become dead now. My husband, I'm still here now, your husband. Step number 2. The surprise is encoded in a different format. Papa Chinedu, you say what? My heart is beating as if I'm running to Kigali. In fact, from today, Papa Chinedu, you're the commander-in-chief of the armed forces of my heart. Yes, we call the Kings of Comedy Kigali, ladies and gentlemen. And just about now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very critical moment. Just about now, I want to apologize. When the show was starting, there's a person who was supposed to do the singing for us, the welcome song, welcoming us, all people, all the way from Uganda, Kenya, up to here, and of course the people who made it for the show. But we are so sorry. It is a very young, beautiful lady. You know, we are grooming a talent. We have a very young, beautiful lady. She didn't make it for the show as it was starting, but she has just arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll ask us, please, with humble request, let's do welcome our singer. She was supposed to reach at the first, she's doing it right now. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our student. Yeah, she's a very young student. Please attack. Please clap for her. It's okay. No. Be careful. Ladies and gentlemen.